Okay. Can you see the screen, please?
Yeah.
Okay, better. Okay, let's start our lesson. Today's lesson is unit 21 B, second section. It's about pronouns and determinant. Page number 84 and 5. That's what we're going to do.
Okay.
Have a look at this one. Here, there are a pronoun and determinant.
I can't hear you, Miss.
Hello?
I can hear you too.
Really? Why?
It's glitching.
Huh?
You are glitching.
Okay, have a look at the screen. There are pronouns as written on the top as something, everybody, nowhere, anyone. So let's have a look. Where do we use and how do we use and what is the difference between them? So I'm sure you are very familiar with these pronouns, right? The term.
Yeah.
Have a look at something, somebody, someone, somewhere. A group, the one group. Now just take what a thing, a person, a place. You see that one? So something, somebody, something, someone, or somewhere is about a thing or a person or place. So what would you use if something, if there is a thing? Which pronouns would you use? Some.
Something.
Good. What about a person?
What?
What about a person? Which pronoun?
Somebody or
And
someone.
exactly. What about place?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Okay.
Somewhere.
So now we're talking about here when we are not saying or don't know which
I can't hear you, Miss.
now. How about now?
Can hear you too.
Hello.
Hello.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hear me now? Hello.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can hear you. It's glitching.
What about now?
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, better.
No, in this case I cannot hear you. Okay. Now what about now?
Yeah, it's better.
That's it. Okay. So now here we use something or somebody or someone or somewhere. Where do we use them? When we don't know exactly which thing or which person or which place. That means it's very foggy, right? For example, it's clear, but something, everybody goes nowhere. We don't know which person or which place or which thing. So, for example, have a look. Someone called, but she didn't tell her name. Do we know about this person?
No.
No. So we call them the determiner. Why? What's the difference between determiner and pronoun? What do you think?
What?
Difference between pronoun and determiner. Okay.
Like pronouns.
Okay. Go on. Musa.
Pronouns like they talk about people, but determiner, like we don't know who's that person or thing.
We don't know specifically. Something refers to
Yeah.
or refers to something or refers to somewhere. It's not specific.
One.
He or she or someone is we use
Yeah.
those determinants. Okay? So now have a look at this one. Everything, everybody, everything, everybody, everything, everybody, everyone, everyone,
And everywhere.
everywhere. We use them all things, all people, or in all places. What does it mean? Every,
Every man means all.
including all two. So here, everyone was told to take a safety measurement. Was it for one person?
I can't hear you well.
Please try to hear me well because the other time it was okay, but Marima, please pay attention, try to hear.
Okay.
Put your headset clearly. I hold my microphone on my mouth. Musa, can you hear me now? Musa? Hello?
Yes, hello.
Okay. So have a look at the example. Everyone was told to take a protective and the safety measurement. Are we talking about anyone is specific? Girls?
Yes, hello, hello, hello.
Everyone was told to take a protective safety measurement. So in this sentence, there is nothing specific about. We're talking about all people. This is the determiner
Yeah.
everyone refers to all people, all places, or all things. Next one, nothing, nobody, no one, or nowhere else. What does it mean? What does it refer to? That means no things, no people, no places. That means opposite of everything, everybody. You agree?
Yes.
Okay. So have a look at the example. No one is allowed to drive after 6 o'clock. There is no one. That means no single person, which is opposite of all people. Is that true?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Musa, are you there? Okay, next one. Anything, anybody, anyone, or anywhere.
No, she's not.
Ah. So what does that mean? It refers to anything, a person, or a place. Why? Guys, can you tell me what this article is about? This article A. What is it about? Ah, this
Um,
article A. This one here.
it's
Uh-huh.
it like tell us it's like singular or something.
It is singular, which is correct.
Like for
Is
one
it
only
something
one.
clear or unclear?
Um,
Is it something
unclear.
clear? Huh? It is unclear, right?
Unclear.
Unclear.
Yes, unclear.
It is something is not clear. That means anything, anybody, anyone, anywhere refers to singular, as you said, Miriam. Second thing, which is not clear. Okay. So, but
Yeah.
also we use them in negative sentence. Any. For example, I cannot see anything here. Turn on the light. Why? Because here is a negative not. So we use any, determine any, use it with the negative meaning. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Where is Musa? I lost Musa now. Okay, next one.
She's not participating.
I guess her
Okay.
it is cut. Okay, let's move on. Something else or anyone else. What does it mean? It means other than, other than.
Ah.
That means different thing or different another person. For example, give me something else. It means not this one, but something on other than this thing. Let's have a look at the example. Can you read it, Mariam?
I didn't tell this news to anyone else.
I didn't tell this news to anyone else, but told who?
To
Just to you. For example, if I'm going to tell you that I didn't tell this news to anyone else. That means other than you, nobody knows.
no one else.
So let's have a look. Something is refers to a person, a place, and thing. And we when we don't know which thing, which person, or which place, that's how we use everything. Every, particularly the every, goes with all things, all people, but nothing is on the other hand is goes opposite. No things, no people, no places. But if it's negative, we use anything, anybody, anyone, anyone. Do you have anything to say? Or anyone else
Mm,
answer? Okay. Also, we can use in the question as well. So next one, there's something else, and anyone else, it means other than the person, other that things, or other than that place or thing. Okay? You understand?
okay.
Did you understand, Mariam?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, now let's move on to the next page. Here. Here also, there is, have a look at the notes. Note, we can use adjective, hold on. There's a note, we can use adjective after something, anything. And also, something strange is happening around us. So, Mariam, can you explain this note? Can you explain this note? What does that mean? Here it says, we can use adjective. Adjective here. Here, adjective. Adjective. Hold on. Sorry. Mariam, are you there? Okay, guys, if you can hear me, we can use adjective after something or anything. So have a look at the example here. Something is our determiner, and plus strange is adjective. Something strange is happening around us. This is what it means. So here goes, hold on. Here we have something as a determiner. And here we have as an adjective. So we can use adjective after something or anything. Okay. Now let's start to work on the exercises. The missing notebook. Complete this conversation by putting in something, anything. For example, Annie, you looked worried. What's the problem? Tim, I've lost something. What? My notebook. I have looked for it, but I couldn't find it. So we need to fill this. We need to fill this gap. Guys, are you there? Anyone? I have looked. That means he's talking about position. So in this case, I have looked everywhere. So I have looked everywhere for it, but I couldn't find it. Here is the, we have here negative, cannot. If it's negative, as we said, we use any. And it's place, same time. So we're going to use it with anywhere. Okay? So my notebook, I have looked everywhere for it, but I cannot find it anywhere. Next one. Perhaps you left it at college. What do you think?
Somewhere.
Somewhere, exactly. This is a good idea. Let me type it for you. Hold on. Somewhere. Yeah. Perhaps you left it somewhere. Why do you think is that, Marima?
Because
At the college, is it place or person or thing?
yes, again.
Is it place, person, or thing? It is place, and at the same time, it is not negative. In this case, we're going to use it somewhere. Somewhere with something, we use it something which is not specific. No?
Yeah, not specific.
That's why perhaps you left it somewhere. Can we use everywhere?
No,
What about anywhere?
because
Why we cannot?
I guess
Uh-huh.
because anywhere like in the college or something, some places that it's like not specific.
At college, is it all place? No, it's a specific place, right?
No, yeah,
That's why we cannot use everywhere. But here, is it in your locker, for example? And he says, no, there is in my locker. What shall I write here?
Something.
Huh?
I think something.
Something? Hashim?
Yeah.
Something. Is this correct? In my locker. Do you see this word?
No.
No, negative.
Miss, I, I guess it's nothing
Nothing. Why is that?
because because it says that it's empty, so we can say there's like nothing inside there.
It's negative, right?
Mhm.
In this case, you cannot use, oh, sorry, hold on. And you cannot use something. Why? Because it's negative first thing. Second thing, it is not there. That means it's nothing. There's no person or no place. Next one, Anne. Well, maybe took it by accident. What do you think?
I guess it's
What do you think? Maybe by accident. Sometimes it happens in the classroom. Remember, I gave you the workbook, and someone. So that means, well, maybe.
someone
Huh?
someone.
Someone. Maybe someone took it by accident. Does it work, Hashem?
Yes.
Yes. Do you agree, Mariam? Good.
Yes.
So maybe someone took it by accident. Why not anyone? Because it's not a question.
It's not this.
Negative. Okay, next one. Hashem, can you
Okay.
try, please? No, I have asked.
Everybody.
Everybody. I have asked everybody. Sorry. I'm making mess over here. My mouse isn't cooperating with me well. Okay, so here. I have asked everybody in my, and then,
But
okay,
Nobody.
but no one
good. Hashem, good. It is nobody. Got it. Why is it nobody?
because
Why is it nobody? Why is not somebody? Why is not anybody? Because that means none.
Just negative.
none of them have it.
None of them have. It doesn't exist anything. That's why we got it. Nobody. If it's person, nobody. If it's something, nothing. If there is a place, nowhere. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's move on to the next page now. All right. Next page here. What are you going to do here? My news. Complete this email, Monica, to her friend Sarah by putting something, anything. If there is a word in bracket, also use that word. Okay? Did you get the instruction?
Okay.
Did you understand my instruction?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Oh, hold on. Gosh. Okay. So now here. Hi, Sarah. I have got something. There is a word interesting in the bracket. That's why I have something interesting to tell you, but it mustn't tell. You mustn't tell. What is your options, guys?
Anybody.
Anybody.
You cannot, you mustn't tell. Why is it anybody?
Any.
Why? Because
Because like we shouldn't say to others like like no one else except that person.
grammatically, because there is a negative. Must, mustn't. That's why.
Yeah.
Okay. So now here, because it's a secret. Claire has split up with Michael and she is seeing, what do you think?
Right.
Something.
A thing about the person. Seeing
Something new.
something new.
Someone.
Because look at the previous
I think so.
split up with
Someone.
someone. Why is that? Someone.
Because it's talking about a person.
Yeah, it's talking about a person. That's why, because it said someone new. Sorry, I forgot. Someone, the adjective. Remember that the note on top of the page, which I have explained. After something, anybody, we use what? Adjective. That means
Adjective.
what is new? What is the part of a speech is new? New, it means it is adjective, right? Okay. Next one. His name is Tom.
Okay.
She's the builder, but she hasn't told me.
Anything else?
Good. Anything? Anything else? She hasn't told me anything else about him. That's a surprise, isn't it? She didn't say.
Mm-hmm.
She option.
Uh,
I
anything.
because it is negative. Anybody? Anyone else there? Musa? Anyone else? Other than
Yes.
Hash? Okay.
Wait.
He didn't say anything to me about problems with Michelle before. And Ashim, number 5. What are you going to feed it? Write here?
Someone.
Someone else was expecting it to happen. We were all very surprised. So I'm going to leave you. Do you think number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Would you do that at home on your own? Rest of the exercise? Because we have a short of time. Yeah. Would you,
Okay.
that means from the 6 till 12, please fill it on your notebook on your own. Thank you. So let's move on to next. Things. Antoinette is a student in England. Okay, sorry, hold on. I need to please something over here. Antoinette is a student living with the host family. Correct these things, he says, to his host family by changing underlined words and phrase. For example, okay. What would you choose? First one. I went to some night shops today, but I didn't. Why we cannot use nothing here?
Because there's no adjective.
No. Do you see that here?
Adjective.
I didn't. What is I didn't?
Negative,
Negative. What does it mean? Nothing.
which means contains
Right?
nothing.
Nothing. It means also negative. Isn't that true?
Empty. Yeah.
No, it means
Yeah.
Hi.
so we cannot have a double negative in one sentence.
Yeah.
When it's negative, what do we use? Anything.
Think.
Anything.
Anything. Is that true? That's why nothing is.
Yes.
Okay, next one. Musa, can you try it, please?
I don't want nothing else. I don't want to. I don't want anything else to eat. Thank you.
Anything else? Why is that?
Because we don't is negative and nothing is negative, so we must use anything else.
In sentence, we don't just double negative, right? Okay,
Yeah.
next one, Wanis, please. Thank you, Musa. Wanis, please.
Okay. English. Wait.
Okay.
English.
I spoke in English, but nobody didn't understand. Musa, can you help?
Wait.
Ashim, are you there?
Understood. Ah, understood.
Okay, now try to figure out why did I write this one.
Because here it says didn't, which is negative.
Huh?
So we will make it like positive. So like the opposite.
That's correct.
Didn't because it's in the past and understood is in the past.
Correct.
Oh.
Very good, girls. So next one. He said, I went to a cafe and I went to another places too. Is it correct or is there any mistake?
I
Uh,
went to a coffee and I went to um, uh I went to some no
I went.
everywhere anywhere. I went to a cafe and I went to
Uh-huh.
somewhere.
Okay. Let's see. Somewhere places too. Does it work?
No,
No. What do we need to correct?
I think the some
What should we do in here? We
you
can,
must change
we can cross out
the where.
because we have a noun here already, places. That's why we don't
Oh.
some places too.
mm,
Mhm.
Okay, good.
okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm not going to go nowhere.
Shall I
Okay.
answer it?
I'm not going to go.
Anywhere.
Anyway,
Uh-huh. Why is that?
because no
Because
is negative
Uh-huh.
and not is negative.
Exactly. We cannot use double negative in one sentence, right? So if it's
Yeah.
mm-hmm.
I'm not going to go to anywhere tonight. I'm going to stay here. Amusa, next please. I like these biscuits.
This more
We
than
More than
Mhm.
those.
I like these biscuits. Uh-huh. I like it more.
I
No.
can't hear you, miss.
Those.
I like these biscuits more than the
The um hmm,
more than the
other one.
other one. Others.
Other one.
Other or others? Other one or others?
Others.
Uh-huh. Others. We have I met anyone. Correct?
I
Yes.
Really?
no no.
Right.
That's positive.
It's not correct.
I met someone.
Yeah.
I met someone. Today, who has been to my hometown? I don't usually buy newspaper, but I bought a
I don't. Even-
I usually don't buy any.
Um.
I bought a one.
uh
I bought
What? About one.
what would you replace? Something.
about something today.
What do you think here? I bought something.
New.
What we use there's something anything with the adjective.
Another. Yeah.
So again, I'm going to leave the last three questions for you guys
Okay.
at home on your own.
Uh,
So
Okay.
let's have a look at the next.
The next page is like
Okay. So now I would like you to I would like to conclude my sentence. What did you understand lesson from today?
Um.
Okay, one by
I
one. Okay.
understood that uh, we do not use to negative at one sentence,
Very good.
and we must use each sentence. Some of most of the sentence have to use these pronouns like someone, somebody, and we have to add like adjectives if something new or some add adjectives to these pronouns.
Okay. And Onis?
I have learned. I have learned to know which right word to put in the sentence, and what kind of word we can and what kind of adjective we can use.
Very good. So let me ask you a question. If it's about a person,
Okay.
what would you use?
Um,
Uh,
someone
Someone.
or
If it's about
somebody.
somebody. Very good, Musa. What about it's about a person, but negative.
Anyone, anybody,
Negative.
and no,
Anybody? And
nobody, no,
no one.
no one,
No
nobody,
one.
or
nobody,
nobody, no one, or any.
anybody, anyone.
If it's like all, what is opposite of everything? Every person, everyone, everywhere. What is opposite of those?
Nothing.
Nothing,
Nobody,
nobody.
no one, nowhere.
If it is place, what kind of pronouns and determiners would you use about a place?
Can you come again because I didn't hear you well?
What can you use? What kind of pronouns can you use about a place? All places.
Oh, somewhere, everywhere,
Everywhere,
anywhere,
anywhere,
and nowhere.
nowhere. Very good. Did you understand the lesson today?
Yeah,
Thank
Yes.
you. I would like you to complete the slide number 3, the last
yeah.
part,
The
and
last three parts.
slide number 4. Also, if you
Mhm.
on the top, in the small things, that 2 questions has been left as well, and then also as well as the last. So rest of it, do it on your own. And if you have any further question, please, the next lesson you can ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Have a great days. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye.